This video was filmed on the 16th of August, and all I saw was massive shaking, a mass earthquake, and standing inside a house. Now, last night I had a dream, and I was in an earthquake, and it just went on and on and on, and it was massive. And after, the whole house was like tilted on its side. Now, I was in Wellington the other day, and the Creator woke me up early in the morning and said, "Yo, dumbass, take her to a place that doesn't get earthquakes." The last time that happened, she woke me up early in the morning and said, "Yo, I've sent you 2 gifts." And then boom, and I ran outside and I thought Taupo had erupted.